So guys, my previous video I was saying what I actually finish my tables with, and this product really will take out any blemishes that are sort of established in this resin table due to it being sort of sat in the workshop environment. As you can see, it needs some love, and this is what this will do. This will transform this top. It'll look like it's brand new again. So basically you can apply it with a bit of kitchen roll or a cloth or anything that is not going to fall apart in your hands, and you just work it into the grain. You can watch me add a bit of life to this top. So mate, look at that. Just look at that being in the workshop. Just sat there. I've cleaned it prior to this. I cleaned it yesterday with a cleaner. It's like a household cleaner just to get rid of some dust. So once you've got most of it on there like that, and just basically work your way down the grain, making it a consistent finish. And there we are, it's simple as that. And as you can see now, that's probably shining a good one in the shop. And when that dries, I'll really show its potential, but I'll show you on the camera anyway, for those guys that are wondering how to buff up their products to make them look a bit more shiny. That's what that does. You see it really brings out the resin, the grain, really brings it out. So yeah, basically that is a liquid wax cleaner. I let that dry. The amount of people that touch this table in the showroom, I have to do this quite a lot, as you can imagine, greasy fingers and all that lot. And all it does, it just enhances it and makes it more appealing. So yeah, that's what I use at Western Timber, is Osmo liquid wax cleaner to vitalise and give my products that wow factor again, like you had when you finished it in the shop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Those who are watching, thanks very much. We've got some audiences from the USA, Australia, Philippines and India. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you're learning from my videos. I'd love some feedback and some comments just to see what more content you want. I'm hoping to take on some new products soon, so keep watching these videos and you'll see some products that we use in the shop and in the workshop itself. But yes, thanks for watching guys, have a great day, and I hope it's sunny where you are.